Hi, my name is Cynthia Henry, and I am the librarian for the College of Human Sciences. Today we're going to look at the Researcher app, which is in the top left-hand corner of the screen. It is the white app with the hot pink zigzags. To get this app on my phone, I would first navigate to Play Store or to Apple Store. Then I would click in here and I would search for Researcher. It's listed here. I can open it from this screen or from the screen I was on. So it should open up to the home page, and you can see the menu across the bottom. You can see menu, journals, that is supposed to be on fire, which would be trending, a bookmark space, and then your profile. Let's take a look at the profile in the lower right hand corner. So under here, I can edit my name, I can edit my profession. They don't have a librarian, so I just went ahead and select professor, and then I can edit my university. So let me go ahead and look at that just by clicking on the edit. I can look for Texas Tech, click confirm, and I'm just going to scoot back and use this. I'm going to apply. Then I can add other things here. If you wanted to be verified with ORCID, you could do that. And make sure you enable your institutional access. I had to wait, I think like 24 hours for that to turn on for me. You can also change your settings by the gear icon on the other side of your initials. And you can choose this expanded view or the very list view. You can look, have it set to your notifications if you want. I don't have that set for myself. You can change your password here. You can change the night mode here. And then, of course, you need to have your institutional access turned on in this area. You can hide papers that you've seen if you want to turn that on. And then if you wanted to manage your data, you would be able to look here and you can see the privacy settings. I'm going to click back with the arrow at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and go back to the main screen. Here you can see that I have some filters set. I have one that is listed as family studies, one that is user experience, one that is motor skills, and we'll cover how to set a filter in just a second. But let's first look at this paper that is sitting here. If I wanted to add this to my bookmark area where like I wanted to save it to read later, I would just click on this little symbol that shows the bookmark and it changes to a check mark. And then if I went to the menu option that is a bookmark down below, then I could see that in my list here. And so then I could go back and scroll through here and look at things that I had stored for myself. So let's go ahead and go back to the main screen. Let's set a new filter. I'm just going to click on the filter icon in the upper right hand corner, and then I'm going to click on create a new filter. Then I'm going to list my terms here. I'm going to either use a keyword or an author. Let's look for global warming. It's already there. I'm going to say okay. I'm going to say done. So I've added the filter successfully, and now I'm going to say done again. And then I can look through the things that are coming up with global warming, and I can add one of these to my bookmarks. The next icon is the journals list. I can identify journals that I would like to follow in this platform. Here's all the journals, and you can navigate through that, or you can look at my list of journals of the ones that I followed, and you can tell that I'm following it because it allows me to unfollow if they're over here. So let's go ahead and go back and just narrow down to one of these. Since we were looking at global warming, let's look and see if we can see anything in life sciences maybe, and forestry. or maybe I would like to look at forest ecology and management. So I can click follow, and then it will be in my list of journals that I would like to read here at the top. I just missed it, sorry. Now the last icon that we really need to cover is the one in the center, and that's the trending. So you can see what everybody's reading in here and see if there's anything good that you want to read as well. That's how you use Researcher.